This lesson was designed to build on students' previous knowledge, as they have already understood the health benefits of a lifelong physically active lifestyle. Now they look towards how we can fuel our bodies for a sustained physically active lifestyle, whilst developing their New South Wales Education Standards Authority NESA 2024 ICT skills, critical and creative thinking, and literacy skills, utilising collaborative and inquiry-based learning. The two selected NESA 2018 PDHPE syllabus outcomes were chosen as they directly relate to identifying the available public food health information and its effectiveness in fueling our bodies for lifelong physically active lives. The selected Institute for Teaching and School Leadership AITSL 2017 standards address one of the lesson's main aims: to ensure that differentiation strategies encourage participation from the hard of hearing and autistic students throughout the lesson, ensuring their inclusion and attainment of content. The hard of hearing student has a hearing aid and must be seated where they can read lips. The autistic student benefits from a structured class with opportunities for questions from the teacher as a mentor to learning. The AITSL not dated insists that learning intentions and success criteria allow teachers to track students' progress and understanding of the content formally and are essential for student learning success. The learning intentions were designed to set a challenging but achievable goal for all students. The success criteria partner with the learning intentions so the teacher can analyse whether the students have successfully understood the lesson to develop a literate daily meal plan for an active adolescent. The main teaching strategies used were inquiry-based learning and collaborative learning, supported by handouts of the Australian Dietary Guidelines, a YouTube video explicitly discussing the effects of good nutrients on the body, and ICT use, NESA 2024. I chose inquiry-based learning as it ensures students create deeper connections with the content through higher-order thinking, which develops 21st century skills. Abdurrahman and others 2019 by utilising open and teacher-directed question times and discussions within collaborative groups. I chose this group work to meet the chosen NESA 2024 general capability of critical and creative thinking, as it extends the opportunity to search for deeper information, activating their critical thinking skills. Tatiana and others 2022 discovered that collaborative work enhances students' interest in the topic because of its social aspect. I have also ensured that the groups consist of mixed learning abilities, so all students feel comfortable in their group to participate in writing content and develop their NESA 2024 literacy skills. NESA 2018 insists that PDHPE students must be presented with the Australian Dietary Guidelines to establish their understanding of a balanced diet. I have therefore incorporated this into the beginning of the lesson with discussion time and a physical handout to aid their understanding of how to develop a nutritious meal. The YouTube video also established an understanding of how nutritious food fuels our bodies for sustained energy. Place and others 2008 insists that abstract terms become perceptible when visual learning aids are used. I also used closed captions to ensure my hard of hearing student could follow along with the YouTube video. I chose to include ICT as a NESA 2024 general capability, as it allows students to share their understandings easily. The class can engage and develop their essential ICT skills for life. Vasilish, 2016. I have included multiple differentiation strategies for the hearing impaired and autistic students involved in this class. My hard of hearing student has a hearing aid, but also lip reads and needs to be able to focus intently. I therefore chose to have them sit in a group closer to the front and with a clear view of the teacher and the interactive board to ensure no visual hindrances for lip reading. New South Wales Government 2021. I have also ensured closed captions on the YouTube video to enhance their understanding of the content if they find it difficult to hear or lip read it. New South Wales Government 2021. I have utilized the tool of writing clear lesson structure instructions on the whiteboard to support my autistic students' focus and understanding of the lesson. The teacher commences class by pointing and reading through the entire class structure for the day. Victoria State Government, Department of Education, 2023. I have allowed time for questions at the end of this to give time for the autistic student to ask any further questions, as this encourages participation. Tobias A., 2009. The teacher will also walk around during group work, ensuring the autistic student can have any other questions answered to keep them on task. Tobias A., 2009. I have also utilized group work to support the autistic students' participation, as Tobias 2009 found focus groups provide a safe space for autistic students to share their thoughts and engage with the lesson content. The teacher will also announce the transition from one task to another to support the autistic student transitioning, as transitions are difficult for autistic students to make. Tobias A. 2009. I have also utilized the printed dietary guidelines copy for every student and the YouTube video to explain further and engage the autistic student in the lesson content, as visual aids assist autistic students' understandings. Victoria State Government, Department of Education, 2023. I have included an exit ticket as a formative assessment in this lesson to assess whether the students have grasped the lesson's content. They must write on an index card how their discoveries during class could be implemented in their own lives and why these nutritious implementations would provide sustained energy. Fowler and others, 2019, insists that exit tickets allows teachers to understand if any content was misunderstood and needs revision in the following class. For the exit ticket to be effective, I have ensured its duration is 5 minutes long and of relatively simplified context. Fowler and others, 2019, to specifically identify whether they have understood the importance of nutrition for physically active lives.